This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 103 of Transformers Optimus Prime. Let's look at the magazine and then we'll get to building the other hand. And there will be a small correction in the start of the build as well, so I'll show you that in a minute. Charlie Watson, Bumblebee's best friend. Yep, I enjoyed Bumblebee the film. I wonder if they'll do others. I mean, there'll be other films, but I wonder if they'll do other origin stories. Mentors and Heroes. Autobots that Optimus admires. Metal Wave. I like the names. The names are quite impressive coming up with him. The Power of the Primes. Yeah. Too much backstory now. I can't keep track of any of it. So there we go. Megatron being a tank. Different, why not? So the right hand. In this issue, we're building the fingers. Fingers and the thumb are all being built and being put aside until next time when we've got the palm and that to come in. So yeah, that'll be going straight on to the next one, which I have got. So that's a good place to finish. So yeah, let's get this out of the way. I'll show you my correction from last time, well, the time before last technically, and then move on from there. So the parts we're supplied with this time, I've kept them all in their little bags. We've got lots of different segments. I remember building this and it being a complete pain. So we'll see how that goes next time. And from the leg, we did finish the leg, or rather I should have finished the leg. I said there was another bit to go on there, and I have actually got it. And it did actually say in the instructions to fit it. I just ignored that bit. So this fits into those and onto these bits as well, just like the other side did. Moving other bits out of the way first, lining things up. The pins in the right place. There we go. So that needs to be pushed in place much like that. And then that will in fact finish off this leg. I thought it would. I thought it was a bit strange to finish like that, but yeah, so we've got that all done now. So that leg is completed. So I shall put that with the other leg out the way for now until we come back to it for other things. So let me clear this back out the way and get these bags opened and see what we're doing with the hand. Right, I've started. I thought I'd get one done to figure out exactly how it works again, because it's been such a long time. And yeah, the pins are tight, but it's okay, and the fingers are nice and secure when they're done. So that was the top bit from the picture up there. Next up, let's try another one. So you've got this that way around. I can't really tell very much difference between these, the shaping of them, but the thicker bit's obviously got to be the narrow end. So we need that. We need a fingertip. Going to go on there that way round. J is the middle pin. Got to go through there like that. Like that. In there and into there. And I need a pair of pliers to compress that all the way through. Like that. That then goes in there. We've just got to make up lots of those and then make up the rest of it. So what I'm going to do is make up one finger and show you each step involved in that. So we've got that to go on there. Then one of these goes around the outside of that bit. Like that. Then we need one of these. One of these ones with the bits on it. Going to go on there with a K pin, which is K is the longer pin. Can't be the longer pin because I just used the K pin. What have I done wrong? I've done one wrong already. No, K was in there. KI is the long pin. K is the middle pin. They put me in the wrong place on the instruction thing. I'd have put them in order, but they didn't. So I is the longer pin. So it's I that I need to use. Later, I'll put the wrong pin in that one. I shall recover that. Replace it with a K, which is the middle pin. Middle. What did I use the K for? Did I use a K already? I used the K. J should have been that first bit, which is the little one. Right. So that first one should have been a little one. And this one should be, I'm going to put a little one in there because I think it's going to be fine. I shall do them correctly going forwards. That goes in there. Once you get them lined up, it's not too bad. But the trick is getting it lined up through everything. I'll put that on at the end. That going through there. I need to push that home a little bit further, but that's okay. Then we got these two surrounds that go onto there. One from each pile. They go on there. Oh, I did have that the right way around. That one on that side. That one on that side. That was still on there again. That. And then we have this piece that goes on there. And that uses an I, which is the longer one. There. Get that together. So there we go. That's a finger made up. The thumb is a little bit different. So I'll get the rest of these made up, and then we'll have a look at them when it's all done. Okay, there we go. One thumb and 4 fingers all working together. I think I had this problem on the last time. I think I'm going to have to glue some of these bits in place just because they're not as secure as they should be. Some of them seem to be fine, but some of them are just a little bit loose. So yeah, I think I might, as long as you don't push them, they're okay. And they're not going to get pushed. If you do push them, they all come loose. So no, I'm going to leave them be. They'll be fine. So that is what we've got. That might not be fine though. So that is what we've got. We've got our fingers prepped and ready. Next time, I think we're joining them together into the hand. So I shall see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.